biome is a large ecosystem which can easily be identified by certain key characteristics, such as plant life, animals that live there, average rainfall, and average temperature, as well as the soil type in that specific ecosystem. So Thomas, do you know what the major biomes are?
Of course I know the major biomes, Alex. The major biomes are tundra, grassland, shrubland, desert, coniferous forest, rainforest, and deciduous forest. So Alex, do you know how to identify the major biomes?
Of course I do, Thomas, because I pay attention to Mr. Wehmeyer's class. We learned that we can identify a biome by average temperature and precipitation, as well as soil type and animal and plant populations.
In the summertime, shrublands have a hot and dry season, while during the wintertime it's cool and moist all winter. Its precipitation normally ranges from 200 to 1,000 millimeters, and its vegetation includes aromatic herbs such as sage, rosemary, thyme, and oregano, as well as shrubs and grasses. Forest's average temperatures range from negative 40 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. During the summertime, its annual temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. Its precipitation ranges from 300 to 900 millimeters, and its main vegetation is coniferous trees. Coniferous trees are trees that can produce cones and needles. Sometimes those needles stay on all year for the trees. This forest average temperatures normally range from negative 30 to 30 degrees Celsius. Its yearly average is 10 degrees Celsius, while during the summer it's quite hot and the winter is quite cold. Its precipitation ranges from 750 to 1,500 millimeters per year. Its vegetation normally includes broadleaf trees such as oaks, maples, birches, and shrubs and mosses.
The grassland's average temperature yearly varies between negative 20 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius. Average rainfall yearly is about 750 millimeters per year. Most of the vegetation in the grassland consists of short to tall grasses. The average temperature in the desert during the day is 30 degrees Celsius. At night, the temperature drops to negative 4 degrees Celsius. Average precipitation is only about 200 millimeters per year. The vegetation you can find in the desert includes cacti, small bushes, and grasses.
The tundra's average temperature ranges from negative 40 degrees Celsius to 18 degrees Celsius. Its precipitation normally ranges from 150 millimeters to 250 millimeters per year. Its vegetation has almost no trees at all due to permafrost and short growing seasons. It mainly consists of lichens, mosses, and grasses, sedges, and shrubs.
Average temperature in the rainforest varies between 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Average precipitation per year is somewhere between 2 to 10,000 millimeters. And the vegetation you can find in the rainforest biome are vines, palm trees, orchids, and ferns. Thomas, how do you identify a biome?
Identify a biome by using methods such as transect lines and tundra is a set perimeter in which you record an organism and its pigment.
When you use a transect line, you observe and take note of all the organisms that you find or see along that set line. So Thomas, now that we know all this stuff about biomes and how to identify them, what biome do you think the Cumming Nature Center is in?
Alex, I believe that the Cumming Nature Center is a temperate deciduous forest.
I agree that the Cumming Nature Center is in a temperate deciduous forest because there was a greater population of deciduous trees than there were coniferous trees. What about our schoolyard? Do you think the Franklin campus is part of a deciduous forest biome as well?
I do believe that our schoolyard at Franklin is a temperate deciduous forest. I think that because, one, there's more deciduous trees than any other type of tree or shrubs or grasses than in other biomes.
With all the shown evidence from the video, do you believe that the Cumming Nature Center is part of a temperate deciduous forest?
Visit the Nature Center yourself and comment down below what your opinion is.